Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 3, which is rational numbers on the coordinate plane. Rational numbers on the coordinate plane. First, we need to know what is the meaning of coordinate plane. Coordinate plane is like this. We have x-axis. This line is called x-axis. This line is called x-axis. This line, and we have also this line is called y-axis. So coordinate plane is x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular. Two lines perpendicular like that. And we write the numbers on this axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive numbers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. On the left are the negative numbers left and down. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So the positive numbers are on the right and up. Right and up. Negative numbers left and down. And this is called coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. So here we have 4 parts. Each part is called quadrant. Each part is called quadrant, 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 quadrant. We have 4 quadrants. First one, this quadrant number 1. Quadrant number 2, 2 dash means 2. Quadrant number 3, quadrant number 4 is like that. We write it like that. So we have 4 quadrants. So again, this our coordinate plane, x-axis, this x-axis, y-axis, positive numbers right and up, negative numbers left and down. How we can use these numbers? If we have graph the point Q, 2 and -3. Let's graph the point Q. The first number is x, and the second number is y. This is called ordered pair. The first number must be x. Second number should be y. So you have to move to x first, like that. We have 2 and -3. So go to 2. We stop here. We have 3 ways. We can go up, or we can go down, or we can stop. According to the second number, we are going to move. Here the second number is -3. So we stopped at 2 and the -3 go down 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Here. The point Q, 2 and the -3. Or -1 and 1. Let's start. You have to move with x first. X is -1. So -1 here. And we are going to go up or down or stop. According to the second number. The second number here is 1. So we are going to go up 1 step. So the point R will be here. S, 0 and 2. 0 on X, here, 0 on X. And move up 2 units because we have to move up on the same line 2 units. So it will be here. So a coordinate plane is a grid containing 2 numbers line like that intersect at right angle at 0. They intersect at 0. The number line are called x and y axis. This is called x axis. This line called x axis. this line called y-axis. Divide the plan into quadrants. Four quadrants. Now let's move to another part. As I told you before, you have to put or move to the x first. Here, if we need to locate the point -3 and -5. -3 on x, -3 on x is here. And -5, so I'm going down -5, down, because the second number is negative. First number is -3, so -3 here. -5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's solve more exercise about this part. Here, graph and label the points given. W, -5 and 1. -5 on x, what is -5 on x here? And 1, so I'm going to go up. So the first number is belong to x. Second number belong to y. So this letter is W. X, 4 and 3. 4 in x, 4 in x. 1, 2, 3 here. And 3 up, because we have 3. 3 up, 1, 2, 3 here, like that. So this will be x. Z, -2 and 0. -2 on x, here -2, 0, so stop at your place. Stop here. Don't move up or down, just stop on the line. So this point is Z. In which quadrant does a point lie? Its x and y coordinates are negative. I need x and y are negative. Negative here and here. X is negative and also y is negative. This one, this quadrant, x positive and y positive. This quadrant, x negative but y positive. So I need x and y are negative in this quad. This quad is first, second, third quad. This quad is third quad. How we can write third quad? Like that, 3 dashes, yes. So here, third quad. The next one, do 4 and 5. And 5 and 4 locate in the same point. Let's check. 4 and 5. 4 on x, 4 on x here. 5, move up 5 here. 1, 2, 3, here, exactly here. What about 4 and 5 again? Exactly here. What about 5 and 4? 5 on x is here. 4 in y, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are these 2 points the same? No. They are not the same. They are different. So order here is important. 4 and 5 not equals 5 and 4. Let's move to another exercise. Number 6. Here we have graph label points given. A1 and -1. First one on x. 1 on x is here. -1, so move down 1 step. So this letter is A. B, 5 and 3. 5 on x. You have to start with x first. 5 with x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 up. 1, 2, 3. 3 up because 3 is positive. This letter is P. C, negative 3 and 2. Negative 3 on x first, on x first. Negative 3 on x. 2 here. So negative 3 and 2. This letter is C. D, 5 and negative 2. 5 on x here. Negative 2 down, go down. 1, 2 here. Go down. This letter is D. E, negative 4.5 and negative 4. Let's find negative 4.5 first on x. On x again. I said it more than one time. X first, x first. Negative 4.5, negative 4.5 here. Exactly here between negative 4 and the negative 5. Exactly in the middle. And the negative 4 go down negative 4. Here, negative 4. So this letter is E. F, 1 and 3/4. 3 and 1/4. F, 1 and 3.25. 1 on x, 1 on x, 1 on x here. 3.25 after 3. Here, 3 after 3, maybe here, no problem. Before the middle. So this letter is F. G, negative 5 and third to 0. Negative 5 and third on x, negative 5 and third on x. You have to start with x. Negative 5 and this negative 5. And third may be here, no problem. 0, so don't move. Don't go up or down. Keep your place. This letter is G. 5 and the negative 5 is H. 5 on x first. 5 on x first here. Negative 5 go down 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This letter H. So you have to move on x first. X first. Again, x first. Let's see another exercise. Give the ordered pair of each point. Here we have a point and we need the ordered pair. Ordered pair like that. Like that. Ordered pair like that. This is called ordered pair. Ordered pair inside bracket. The point P. First, we are going to meet x. You have to meet x first. X is negative 8. What about y? Go to y. Y here is 3. So negative 8 and 3. B will be negative 8 and 3, like that. Negative 8 and 3. The next one, Q. Let's find Q. Find Q. Q, you have to meet x first. Not go to y, no. Meet x first. Meet x first. X first is 5. After that, y is negative 5. So Q is 5 and negative 5. The order is very important. 5 and negative 5. The next one, R. R. Let's find R. R here. R here. Meet x first. X first. R is 1 on x and 1 on y. So R is 1 and 1. R is 1 and 1. What about S? Let's erase these S. S, letter S, S here. Meet X first. S is negative 6 on X and negative 7 on Y. You have to meet X first. So S, negative 6 on X, negative 7 on Y. So negative 6 and negative 7. Letter H. H here. Meet X first. Meet X first. Negative 4 on X, negative 4 on Y. So H, negative 4 and negative 4. H, negative 4 and negative 4. J, letter J, J. Let's erase first. Letter J here. Letter J, meet X first. X is 0. What about Y? Y is 2. So 0 and 2. Meet X first. 0 and 2. So J, 0 and 2. K, letter K. K, meet X first. It's already on X. So negative 8 on X. If you need to meet Y, Y will be 0. So negative 8 and 0. Negative 8 and 0. Again, K, we need to meet X. It's already on X axis. So the answer is negative 8 and Y is 0. L, the last one is letter L. Meet X first. X is 4. What about Y? Y is 5. So 4 and 5. You can not write it 5 and 4. No, it's 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let's move to another exercise. Here, use the map at the right. The market square is at the origin point. What is the origin point? The origin point is point, which is 0 and 0, the center. The origin point is the point at the center, or the intersection point between the axes. Question number 1. Give the coordinates of the library. Library, where is the library? Library here. So you have to meet X first, as I told you before. Meet X first. X here is 10. What about Y? Y is negative 9. Yes. So it will be 10 and negative 9. 10 and negative 9. This is the coordinate of the library. What? Let's clear this. What building is located in quadrant? Third quadrant. Third. This is the first quad. Second quad. First quad. Second quad. Third quad. Fourth quad. The third is Firehouse. So the building located in quadrant 3 is Firehouse. Yes, Firehouse. Which quad have building in them? Let's check. How many quad have building in them? First quad, yes, have building. Swimming pool, clubhouse, and school. Second, no, there is no building here. Third, yes. Fourth, yes. So the building which have building, so the quad which have building in them, first one, first quad, also third quad, and also fourth quad, like that. 25. Suppose you were at the market square. So you are here now. You are here now, Market Square, and wanted to get to the doctor office. We need to go here, doctor office. Use the map to explain how you would get there. To move to the doctor office, you have to move here. How many units, right? 3. Need x3. What about y? 5, -5. So 3 to the right and down 5 units. 3 units to the right and move down 5 units. Let's write it. We are going to move 3 units to the right, then 5 units down because it's negative. 5 units down. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. This lesson is very, very, very important. You have to study it well. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.